Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed y'all in a little bit. So obviously I look a little bit crazy. I don't have anything on my eyes, no mascara, liner, nothing. So this is like part of my tips and tricks to put on like eyelashes and how to like hide your lash band and like all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 4 things that you will need. Well, 5 things actually. So these are the 5 things you will need for the tips and tricks that I will be showing you guys. So first thing you will need is some scissors. You can use any kind of scissors, but I like to use like these little, like, are they like medical scissors? I don't know. But they're just like little scissors. It makes it easier to get closer to where you want to cut your lashes. And then tweezers. These are my favorite kind of tweezers, like the ones that are slightly angled and like the small ones. And I kind of like it when like the actual tweezers are a little bit thicker. There's a lot that are like really thin and like tiny. I feel like these help grab the lashes a little bit better, like you have more control over them. So that, and then I have liner, black mascara, black glue, black liner, black mascara, and then black, black liner, black glue, and black mascara. So first I will be applying this black liner. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Liquid Liner. So it comes like this. It's like a little pencil, kind of like a felt tip liner. And so this is the one that I use. So I literally just do a straight line on like where my lashes are gonna go. So hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully everything is focused. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Maybe I should just zoom in again. Okay. So I always tilt my head back. And then I just start going like this. I try to get as close as I can to the lash line. But like, I always make it a little bit big. Not big, like thick. Just enough to hide the lash band. Oh, just fucked up. Then make sure to get your inner corner. If you haven't been doing this for a long time, you'll probably need a little bit of practice. At least just for the inner corner, just because my eyes like to water. So that's basically what I do. I feel like it honestly makes my eyes look a little bit bigger too when I do this. So I like to do that anyway. So I'm gonna do this side really quick. I just realized that I do both eyes really different. So now that I've applied that liner, that's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna go in with mascara. So I like to go in with mascara before I apply my lashes because I don't like to apply mascara to my falsies. Sometimes I'll do it if like the lashes are super natural and like I want that mascara look but still look like I have more lashes, you know? But I typically don't ever do that just because I feel like it ruins the lashes. And then since my lash line, they're mink lashes, I don't like to add mascara. Just, I don't know, you get more use out of your lashes anyways if you don't put mascara on them. So yeah, I just apply it before because I don't like my strips to get clumpy and like ugly. Sorry about my phone. So you can honestly use any mascara. It doesn't really matter because your lashes are going to be covered with the fake ones anyways, but you still want to put mascara on them so that you don't see the separation between your lashes and the fake lashes. And also, well, at least for me, typically when I do my makeup, I get hella powder on my eyelashes, so this also helps keep them nice and black. Okay, so that's that, and I'm gonna do this one. And then I've been loving this mascara. This is the Maybelline Unlimited, or no, L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, and it comes in like this little thing. It's pretty big actually. And I've been using it for a few months now, and I'm actually running out. So tip 1, liner. And if you're not that great at applying lashes anyways, or you've never really applied lashes, this will help you disguise the strips just to like because sometimes they can be like wonky and like not exactly on your lash line. But if you have the black liner, you can totally hide it and just apply it to where the liner is. And that's usually what I do, because I also don't like to apply my lashes directly on my lashes, my strips on my lashes, just because I feel like sometimes when you pull them off, like you can grab some of your lashes. So I usually just apply the strips to the liner. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with lashes. So these are my lashes for my line. These are in the style Scorpio. Let me show you guys my packaging. Let me just put it in here real quick so I can show you. My lashes launch on Monday, June the 17th at 10 a.m. So this is what they look like right here. Super cute. This is the packaging. I've never showed the packaging online, so like this is so cool, on YouTube. So this is what they look like, and then obviously this is how the box is. You pull it to open it, and then bam. This is usually like the lashes will have the name on it right here, but since these are like mine that I'm keeping, I didn't do the name just because I already know like what these are. So anyways, let's go back to actually applying the lashes. So when I put them when I pulled them out of the box, I always, why am I like, I can't fucking talk. I haven't done a video in forever, so I'm sorry. So anyways, when I'm grabbing the lashes off of this little plastic thing, I like to grab the lash with my tweezers from the outer corner. Just because typically you're gonna cut your lashes anyways, and if you pull from the outer corner, that's usually where you're gonna cut from, so you won't ruin the lash. And so typically this is what I will do. I will grab the lash like this with my tweezer, apply it like that, just so I can see how much I need to cut off. So I can already tell I need to cut off a little bit from here, and then I like to also cut a tiny bit on the inner corner. Can't really tell, but there's, if you look closely to your lashes, these will be on literally any lashes, there is a little bit more strip than there is lashes on the inner corner and the outer corner. So I always just like to cut that part of the inner corner off. I don't actually cut the like where the lashes are. My god, it's so fucking technical, gosh damn. But y'all know what I mean, okay? So now I'm cutting this much off my lash, just because I want to be comfortable and I don't want too much hanging off. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the tweezer again and measure it one more time. Like this. Perfect. That is how the lash will look once it's on. Cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with glue. So the glue that I like to use is the Duo brush on adhesive with vitamins in the color dark. It's black basically. So I like this one because it comes with a little brush like it said, so you literally get to like apply it on the strip with the brush instead of having to squeeze it and do all that other shit with the other Duo. I've been using this one recently just because, I don't know, I feel like it keeps my lashes on all day and they don't lift. But the glue that I used to love was the House of Lashes glue. It's really good at keeping your lashes on all day also. The only thing with that is like my eyes get super watery when I use it. I don't know if there's something in it or what, but my eyes are get sensitive to that glue, so I can't use it. I mean, I can use it in store, but my eyes will be watery literally all day, and like your eyes can't be watery if you have freaking lashes on, you know, they're gonna freaking pop off. So I'm getting the other one ready while my glue gets a little bit tacky on my lashes. These scissors are low-key trash. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, for like a few more seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. You wanna let your glue get tacky, just so it just helps apply. You wanna let your glue get a little bit tacky before you apply it straight to your eye. Just because the tackier the lash is, obviously you don't want it to be completely dry, but if it's tacky, then it'll adhere to your skin or your lashes better. It'll actually like grab it on, you know what I mean? Y'all already know I ain't good with words, so sorry about it. Who says that? Emma Chamberlain or Antonio Garza? One of them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lashes with a tweezer again. blow on it a little bit just to make sure it's tacky. And then I like to touch it sometimes and you can kind of tell if it's tacky or not. It is pretty tacky. Okay, so this is ready. And then I grab a mirror. I'm gonna grab this mirror. Hopefully it doesn't reflect onto the camera. But I like to apply my lashes like this. I kind of look back and then attach like so. And then grab from the outer corner and pull. Let me show you guys. So I grab from the outer corner and then pull and then press it on, and then I grab the inner corner as well and press. And there you have it. That's one lash. I always like to, did I tell you guys that I applied it in the center first? So I grab it, I always hold my tweezers up like this because I feel like I get closer to my lash line instead of just like applying it like that. I always go up like that, get as close as I can, and then do that. And after the lashes are on, I like to kind of pinch them together. Okay, that's one lash. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other really quickly, just so you guys can see what I look like with all the lashes on. So I just coated this. Oh, did I show you guys how I coated it? So I literally just coat like that. I usually do like 2 coats just to make sure everything there's like glue evenly on the strip. Okay. So this one was a little bit more tacky than the other one was. So literally as soon as I applied it, it just like adhered to my lash line and it's literally there to stay and it's not moving anywhere. Yay! So these are the lashes. Let me get close so y'all can see them. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks on how to apply false lashes and how to disguise them a little bit better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I have no nails. I shouldn't do that.